Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I'm happy to have you here. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I use my ripe plantain. Instead of frying it, there's other ways you can use it. So let's do some housekeeping before we start the video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. And if you are new, please try and subscribe so that you get notification whenever we post new videos. Okay, so I like to use hot water to prep my food. And in this one, I already boiled hot water and I poured the hot water into a pan and I put my yam. So I sliced my yam in cubes like this so that it could be easier to cook faster. So I cover it and then I start prepping other ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. Now, I'm going to boil the yam for about, say, 7 to 8 minutes. You take out the back of the plantain and then you cut in cubes, and that way it's easier to, get cooked faster. And then I'm slicing my onions and my crayfish and pepper. So I'm going to blend it together and keep it aside. So already I've added the plantain into the yam, so they are all cooking, and I've allowed that to cook for say another 8 to 10 minutes. That way the whole put plantain and yam is properly cooked. And then I'll take out the plantain into a like a mortar. I have a little mortar. Then I will kind of mash it a little bit. So if you don't have a mortar, you can use a plastic or whatever just to smash it a little bit, and then that is where you're going to mix all your ingredients. So this is it. Now I brought it out from the pot and then I'm putting it into a mortar to kind of mash it a little bit. So I'll pour the yam, then my sauce that already cooked, and then mix it up. This is delicious. The aroma is nose blinding. I mean, if you know this food, you're gonna enjoy it. It's really, really tasty. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So send me your name and where you're watching from. I'll sure send you a hug and more recipes to come. This was me cleaning out my plates. You don't blame me. I enjoy the food. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Take care and bye.